To draw a magic potion bottle, you'll need a pencil, a pen, and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it! I'll draw a little line up and down to give you something to work with. And then we're going to want to have a circle and another circle and a kind of an ellipse like that, and then another ellipse on the bottom. So we can take this up there like that. So that's going to be the top, the stopper, and then that's the neck of the bottle, which we can then bring around into a nice curve like that, and you can kind of see how it's working now. Now we're going to draw this little bit on the top, and then that will come around into the stopper, and then that's the lip of the bottle, and that's the kind of the belly, the body of the bottle, and then we can have a little bit of a thing like that coming down into the base, which will then come around from behind it. This video is inspired by my new book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff Real Easy. It is packed with over 160 Halloween ideas. You can get the book from Amazon, ebook downloads from Amazon and Spring underneath this video. All the links and details are in the description box below. Now when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dried, then you can erase all those pencil lines, as long as you didn't press too hard. Now what we're going to do is have a little bit of highlight there, and we're going to have a bit of shade. So this is a great block of glass, and you get quite a dark sort of reflection-y thing inside there, shadowy thing I should say really, and similar on the top there. And then here, this is going to be the liquid, so we want to kind of follow in line a bit there, and then we're going to come down a bit and around. That can probably come a bit more closer, and then we can shade that in a bit on this side like that, these getting slightly larger all the way down, and then we can put a little bit of shading there too, and we want to see that's the kind of the top of the surface of the liquid, and I think we'll have a bit of shading in there, and we're going to have some, this is kind of thick chunky glass down here, so we want to see sort of thick chunky kind of reflections in there, and we'll also then have a bit of shadow in there too. If the light is coming this way, we're going to see shadows flicking away in this direction, and then we can put it on the table by putting the edge of the table just like that behind it. And there you go, how to draw a magic potion bottle. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.